Okay. Here's another problem on separation of variables method. Here's the problem. Obtain the general solution of this differential equation. Xy cubed dx plus e raised to x squared dy equal to 0. Okay. So the variables can be easily separated. No? Like sa first term, we can remove y cube, and sa second term, we remove e raised to x squared. No? So we are going to divide the equation by y cube and e raised to x squared. So first term divided by denominator, makancel ang y cube. And second term divided by the denominator. Okay? Makancel ang e raised to x squared. So, ang result is this. X over e raised to x squared dx plus dy over y cubed. Next step is isaka ang e raised to x squared, saka sa ang y cubed. Okay. And, okay. Pwede na to ma-transpose ang y raised to negative 3 dy sa right side. So for the left side, this one, for the left side, okay, so we can assign negative x squared as our u, let u, negative x squared para e to the u ta. Okay. Pwede dili mo gamit og integration by parts kay ang derivative sa negative x squared mo result man naning x dx. So, du is negative 2x dx. So, naatay x dx. So, to get x dx, we divide negative 2 sa yun eh. Negative du over 2 is equal to x dx. So, ato i-rearrange ni kining left side, i-raise to negative x squared, and then i-rearrange ang i-group ang x dx. No? Para pag-substitute, i-raise to negative x squared is u, while ang x dx is negative du over 2. Mao ni ang result. And then integrate na. Integral of e to the u du is e to the u. And then this is a simple na power formula. So, nang result is this one. So, this is already correct. But if you want to simplify further, we can multiply the equation by negative 2 para ma-positive ni. So, negative 1/2 e raised to negative x squared times negative 2. Makancel ning 1/2, no? A negative. So, sa left side, what remains is e raised to negative x squared, no? For this one, pag multiply yung negative 2, makancel ang 2, ma-negative ni. Negative y raised to negative 2. Pwede na to i-transpose sa PCAS left side para ma-positive. And ang constant, negative 2c, si arbitrary sa pwede rin na 2c. Pwede rin po c yan eh. Okay. The final answer is this. E raised to negative x squared plus i-transpose ng y raised to negative 2 becomes positive, and then negative 2c is just equal to c. Okay, arbitrary. That's it. No. So I hope that by solving many problems sa yung na nature, separation of variables, ma-master ani pag-solve og similar na problem sa about ani. Okay, so thank you for watching.